What's up, guys? Today I have another niche for you. This is the Enchanted Forest coloring book. So this is the Enchanted Forest coloring book. It only has 604 results here. As you can see, let me just zoom in here. It only has 600, and also it has 1000 permanent search volume. I got this data from Keywords Everywhere. I'll put the link down in the description box. So you get 10,000 keywords plus for free. I'll put the link in the description. So basically, they have amazing covers, as you can see, right? They have amazing covers. So you can do this with Midjourney or anything you like. And I'll show you how you can create this all for free, how to generate the interiors also. So I'll show you everything now. So first, let me go to how much people are making. Let me show you how much people are making here. So it's not that big profit, but as you can see, 28,000 it's really good, right? It's really good. 1,000, 2,000. So basically, it's a very good passive income, and as it fluctuates over time, and it increases in value. So I just copy this and search for it on kdpdownload.com. I just go to kdpdownload.com. I just paste in my keyword, and only 3 results came in, but you can just download this for 40 cents or download this for free, or you can even create this with AI. You can create this for AI. You can try this for free on kdpdownload.com. You can create the interiors for free, by the way. So for the keywords, I just go to kdprank.com. That is kdprank.com. And with the tool called magnet. So I just paste in my keyword here. Paste in my keyword here, and I just press create keywords. As you can see, it gives me a lot of results, a lot of keywords with a very good search volume trend and a very good competition. So as you can see, this is a free tool, and you just go to kdprank.com and just download this tool, by the way. Yeah. Let me show you how you can download this. Just go to kdprank.com, and as you can see, this is a free Chrome extension for Amazon FBA. You just download this extension. So just go back to that. So after you sign up, you just go to tools and just press on magnet. Just go to tools and just get keywords. And as you can see, you can have it even show you the trending in the search volume and everything on this free tool. So check it out on kdprank.com if you want to download this for free. So this is an amazing tool, as you can see. So choose anything that's trending for your keywords, for your subtitles, for your 7 keyword space as you publish on KDP platform. So use this. So one last thing, you just go to KDP. So just go to kdptips.com to download your free bestsellers guides. So I wrote this book. Just when you only need your email, and I'll give you the book. So have fun with this one. This is a niche for today. Have fun, make money, experiment with KDP Rank. So bye bye.